Let us see in this video how to draw a 135 degree and a 67 degree 30 minutes angles using the compass and the straight edge only. 67 degree 30 minutes is half the 135 degree angle. So once we draw the 135 degree angle, we only have to find out the angle bisector of this one. And we're going to find out the 135 degree angle as 180 degrees minus 45 degrees. We are going to start from the 180 degree angle, which we get by extending the semi-straight line R leftwards. This way we have that this angle here is 180 degrees. So if this is a 180 degree angle, the angle bisector will divide it into two 90 degree angles. Using point A as center, we draw an arc that meets both semi-straight lines that form the angle at points 1 and 2. Now, using points 1 and 2 as centers and any radius as long as it is the same in both points, we draw two arcs that meet at this point 3, getting the 90 degree angle. This is a 90 degree angle and so is this one. If we draw the angle bisector of this second 90 degree angle, we get the 45 degree angle, which added to this 90 degree angle is the 135 degree angle asked, or which is the same if we take from this 180 degree angle this 45 degree one, we get the 135 degree angle. So, angle bisector of this angle. Using point 2 as centers and the same radius, the one we want, we draw two arcs that meet at this point 5 to get the angle bisector of this 90 degree angle here. If this is 180 degrees and we take this 45 degrees from it, the resulting angle is 135 degrees. Then we have to draw the semi-straight line that starts at point A and goes through point 5. I check it and here it is, the 135 degree angle. If we draw the angle bisector of this 135 degree angle, we get the 67 degree 30 minutes angle. Using points 1 and 6 as centers and the radius we want as long as it is the same in both points, we draw two arcs that meet at this point 7. So the semi-straight line that starts at A and goes through point 7 is the angle bisector of the 135 degree angle, that is, a 67 degree 30 minute angle. Let us check it. This is a 67 degree 30 minute angle.